Hello everyone, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. So today in this video, let us learn about hyperlink in MS. So hyperlink is used to attach a file, like it can be any other object from any other software also, like for example AutoCAD, or it might be CAD softwares. So here first take a word where you can create a link for that. So over here I have taken CAD NEST as a word. So now I am selecting it and using shortcut key Control K. Control key is used for hyperlink. If not shortcut keys, if you after selecting, if you right click on the word, you will get the option hyperlink. You can click on that also. So hyperlink tab will occur. Over here you will have to select the related document which you are going to attach for the particular word. So over here, as I have taken CAD NEST, I will have to select any document which is already saved, or any document which you want to attach to the particular word. So over here for this particular word, I am attaching a PPT presentation. If I double click on that, you can see the word get converted into a link format. So if I go to this, you can see there is a note also. It tells use control to click the following link. So using control, you can see the cursor turns into a hand symbol, that is to select the word. So using control, you have to click on the linked word and then select yes. So as you can see, as soon as I clicked on the link, you can see the file which I had attached to it has got open. So this is how you use hyperlink. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.